Implementing Supply Chain Management System Rolling Out Guide by Procoders. An effective supply chain can reduce costs, improve quality and efficiency, while lowering overall costs incurred by business operations. Have you ever wondered why some companies have more profit than others in the same sector? How can you make money as a manufacturer or a distributor if there isn't any coordination among suppliers? In this article, we will show you how to implement supply chain management system and how it can help companies to increase their profits, enhance deliveries, and improve overall customer satisfaction. What is a supply chain management system? An SCM system is any software a business uses to coordinate and direct the flow of its goods, from raw materials manufacturing to finished product delivery. SCM systems are used to organize procurement, order tracking, quality control, order fulfillment, distribution, and more. How does the SCM system work? A supply chain is a coordinated network. Therefore, any SCM system must also have a cohesive structure that enables functionality and visibility along the product delivery journey. As such, an SCM system would typically integrate features such as inventory management, warehouse management, purchase order processing, demand forecasting, supplier relationship management, logistics planning, and so on. Key advantages of SCM systems. Cost savings. A non-optimized supply chain is a financial risk for any business. Every operational mistake, delivery delay, and order fulfillment errors result in the accumulation of unnecessary overhead costs. Smart decision-making. We live in a data-driven world, and any business that wants to succeed today must take data seriously. The data from an SCM system can help business leaders and managers make smarter decisions. An SCM solution can help forecast demand changes, analyze market forces, and strengthen your company's operations. Data from the software can help you identify areas that need improvement as well as implement planned enhancements. Collaboration. If there was any great challenge that traditional SCM faced, it was the lack of an automated, real-time flow of information. Even to date, many companies still struggle to organize information flow. With SCM software, though, companies can integrate multiple departments involved in product supply and delivery. Such an integrated software solution smoothens the flow of information across the chain so as to achieve seamless operations. Demand management. Another great challenge for businesses is how to keep up with demand, ensuring that their stock is never way above nor way below the demand. SCM systems typically integrate demand forecasting and inventory management functionalities. Logistics management. Logistics is central to supply chain management, and by implementing supply chain management system that is efficient, you optimize logistics and shipping operations. It helps to identify the most efficient transportation methods and routes for each type of good. This in turn helps you to save costs on transportation and logistics. Business stability. Another thing to note in the steps involved in supply chain management implementation is that supply chains are business critical. In the case of e-commerce companies, for instance, the supply chain is essentially the business itself. Therefore, one can see how any disruption to the supply chain can threaten the stability of the business. Quality control. An SCM system enables a business to exercise greater control, overall, over its goods and supplier relationships. What this also means is that the business can quickly identify and arrest non-compliant behavior within the chain. Most SCM software solutions have data analysis functionalities, so that managers can track information and performance data. Productivity and efficiency. The main goal of an SCM system is to enhance business productivity and operational efficiency. It enables businesses to manage their supply chain operations in real time, limiting the possibility of delays or disruption to the process. How else could large enterprises such as Amazon have been able to implement same-day and next-day delivery if not for innovations in supply chain management systems? Conclusion. As discussed, there are many benefits to using supply chain management software. It can help cut costs due to systematic tracking of materials and equipment along the value chain. It can also help ensure consistency in rules and regulations by facilitating communication between different parties involved in the supply chain, such as manufacturers, distributors, and retailers. Subscribe our channel and read more about implementing supply chain management system rolling out guide at Procoder's blog.